She my little mommy, she my senorita. She keep it hot and ready, little.
Where we about to eat at? Where we finna eat at?
I had to come to my people and get chili, and then I'm getting a taco too because there's just too many options.
Yeah, there's a lot of trucks out here. What'd you get, Claudia?
I got a taco, and then I got a jaroa, and I'm about to go get an arepa too. Gotta try everything.
She embarrassed. So we're on our way to the next food truck.
Ooh, elote loco, that's what you want.
This one is open.
What are you getting, Imani?
I'm gonna get elote loco. It's gonna be lit. I'm hungry. I didn't eat anything all day. All right, guys, we got all of our food except for Cindy.
It's not like she eats anything exciting anyway. So
her food won't be that interesting anyway. So, Katis, what did you get?
I got a
Show us
taco.
around.
It's a carne asada taco because tacos are my favorite food.
Okay.
And then I got a chimi because you know I gotta represent for my people. and I got
for the
some water
culture.
because you know healthy.
Health. Okay, so right here we have elote. And you know, I low-key don't even know what kind of sauce and stuff that they put on here. But,
I know they put mayonnaise,
cheese.
cheese. Yeah.
I love that.
I want my taco. What?
Excuse me. So I got. Oh, I forgot what I got. What's that?
Shrimp bowl.
Oh yeah, a shrimp burrito bowl. Low-key it is Chipotle. And then I got an acai smoothie.
Ooh,
Siggy. Interesting. Okay. Claudia, what did you get?
I got a little taquito.
Okay.
You know, wanted to try it out. I like arepas, so I got a little arepa. And then
Ayaroa.
But you know, it's Mukbang Monday.
Yeah. And then what's your juice?
Oh, and palcha, which is passion fruit juice.
I was gonna ask what that is. Super good, guys.
Cindy's food is not ready yet, but he's taking his time. He's Dominican.
10 out of 10 recommend. It has very flavorful. I'm messing with it heavy.
All right, James Gordon.
My taco's good.
It's a little dry, but it's fine. Yeah, it was very good.
Really?
You want to try something? How do you like your food? I'm not gonna eat the taco. It's really dry.
Listen, it's a little dry.
Didn't like it. The gauras, I think it's called. They're okay.
Chimiking is better, but it's fine.
Yeah, chimique is way better. That's okay. I ain't gonna eat that either. But my arepa,
It's good?
Yeah, it's a Venezuelan arepa. It's destroyed right now. But
I still haven't tried my chimi. And Cindy
we still gotta eat the corn.
has yet not tried her or has gotten her food. And we gotta try the corn.
Having Thanksgiving and Cindy still
Alright. Wow, I don't like that face. It is not.
It's kind of disappointing, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Katis, you tasted that.
At least your Chipotle was good.
Yeah.
her authentic Chipotle. I've never had this in my life.
This is gonna be disappointing for you. I'm sorry. Her face.
Your food.
I don't think I like the red sauce on it, to be honest. I literally had better at Senor Frogs. I'm serious.
I don't know how I feel about it.
It's not this, but it's good. Not that one. They are just not that one. For clarity.
I don't like the smell, so I think me smelling it is making it worse.
Well,
let me try one more time.
back at it again. Running it through. It's a no.
Yes or no for me? I want something else because I don't want that.
You want to taste this corn?
No, you guys
We need a reaction.
Y'all both didn't like it. I gotta blow my nose. Move it away from me.
I'm gonna zoom in.
I gotta taste this. This is called tostón. Let me put it up to the camera.
got an attitude.
Are we gonna get ice cream?
Listen, I ain't opposed to that. So I'm not be surprised that Claudia finished drinking pretty much that whole quart of what is it?
Passion fruit juice.
And didn't eat none of her food. She ate like she took one bite, 1/6 of that, none of that. That juice just took up all the space in her stomach. I don't think you guys understand.
Put it next to someone's head.
Oh wait, I got a big head though. Cindy has a small head. I just want you guys to study how Cindy eats. We're about to fry her up. So this, first of all, this is about the only thing that's on her taste palette.
Why she looks so sad.
Give me my phone. Sit down, bro.
Oh, there's nothing but that ice cream.
Not on me.
Ending
my
the night
God.
off with some
Ice cream.
with some ice cream from Twisty Treat. What did you guys get? I didn't get any ice cream because I'm kind of full.
And she's lactose intolerant.
We got a brownie. We got a brownie sundae with 2
I'm not
pieces of
getting
brownie.
any ice cream.
Oh, you fried them up.
With 2 pieces.
What's behind us?
With 2 pieces of brownie and a whole ass cup of ice cream.
Yeah.
That don't add up.
Actually, that's not even half the cup.
And the brownie's trash. So
Yeah.
I just paid $4 for no reason.
Say it louder for the people in the back.
The brownie is trash.
Alright guys, so we're gonna end off the video right here.
Wait, don't we want to talk about anything else?
Oh, what are we talking about?
Yo, wait. She gotta hear the brownie tastes disgusting. I don't want anymore.
Claudia's holding up some lighting for us and her ice cream is melting.
Alright.
I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3.
Stay sassy.
She said stay sassy. What?
See, your face is garbage. You don't know what we say.
Ready?
You said you watch all the videos, but you know what our outro is.
Y'all don't even do the outro 95% of the time.
Oh, she right, but you don't gotta say that. Well, we're about to do it right now, so get it straight. Listen to us.
Alright,
Posse,
Posse, stay flossy.
She my little mommy, she my senorita. She keep it hot and ready, little.